Hunan Zirbet Biotechnology Co., Limited. It was founded in 2016 and has quickly become one of the most trusted providers of dental restoration materials and digital dental equipment. Based in China, our company is dedicated to advancing the field of dental restoration through the development and production of high-performance zirconia ceramic blocks and state-of-the-art CAD/CAM systems, backed by a team of material science professionals with extensive knowledge of dental restoration technologies. We are able to deliver durable, aesthetic, and precise solutions for all types of dental restorations. Zirbet prides itself on its flexible business model, which includes a channel-based sales approach and OEM orders to accommodate the varied demands of customers around the world. As a result, our products can be found in dental labs, clinics, and practices throughout China and internationally. Whether you're looking for a supplier of premium zirconia ceramic blocks or want to integrate the latest CAD/CAM systems into your practice, Zirbet is here to help. We take great pride in our team of experts who work tirelessly to ensure that each product meets the highest standards for performance and reliability. With 24/7 online support, 100% patience, and fast delivery, Zirbet is committed to providing you with the best possible service. So if you're ready to advance your practice with high-quality dental restoration materials and equipment, get in touch today. Phone 18,570,000.